The Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to improve upon its predecessor in a number of ways. This include a larger battery, faster processing speed, and a more powerful main camera with a rumored 200 megapixel. There are still a few months until Samsung unveils its next flagship phone, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but in the meantime we've complied all the rumors we've heard about it so far. We have information about the color options Samsung is offering with the S23 lineup. According to Ross Young, it will be beige, black, green, and light pink. So basically white is being replaced by beige and pretty limited colors palettes, to be honest. Not sure if this is just limited to the S23 Ultra or the entire S23 lineup. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra could look nearly identical to the ultra-premium Galaxy S22 Ultra, which starts at $1,199. But there could be major enhancements on the way, especially to the cameras, which could make the S23 series contender for our best phones list. The regular S23 is tipped for a redesign on the back, which returns the camera bump into 3 separate lenses that are more integrated with the design. But the Galaxy S22 Ultra already had that look, and it seems like not much is changing for the S23 Ultra. Now look at the front, you can probably see that they are almost identical to last year. We have the same size panels, 6.1 inches on the S23 and 6.6 inches on the S23 Plus. And because of that, the bodies are also wider. So S23 is wider by 0.2 millimeters and S23 Plus is wider by 0.3 millimeters. S23 Ultra, we get a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz LTPO display, and it's coming with a likely resolution of 1440 by 3080. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is credited with a large battery and slow charging speed. A full charge will take more than 1 hour, and the battery for the flagship smartphone S23 Ultra has been certified, as a result of which it became known that its capacity will be equal to 5,000 mAh. This information is published by Ice Universe, and the source adds that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will support on a 25-watt charging. A full charge will take more than 1 hour. Samsung using optical stabilization, so the lens moves to counteract any shake. But as the name suggests, censorship stabilization is the movement of the actual sensor. The back camera lenses are actually slightly thicker than the S22 Ultra, with 2 sensors on the side now flushed in for an even cleaner look. The camera have changed slightly, with the right-hand side sensors that being flush with the rear panel, whereas previously they were slightly extruded from the case. The metal frame is also slightly larger, and there's less of the curve on the S23 Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.